Hello, we're standing here in Tallinn where Baltic Pride 2020 was supposed to take place. Instead of thousands of people, there's only 3 of us here. But first things first, where are the Baltics? This is the Balkans. This is not the Baltics. This is Russia, and it is not the Baltics. This is Finland, it's still not the Baltics. These are the Baltic countries, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. And because we're so tiny, we share Baltic Pride between the three of us.
Unfortunately, this year we had to cancel the Baltic Pride Festival due to the pandemic, as many other prides, even though we had a large and fun program planned.
It's especially sad for us because of the nature of our Pride, we only have it every 3 years. So this time there won't be Pride in Tallinn for 5 years.
And we really needed it this year, as the political situation in Estonia is quickly getting worse, with the far-right party newly in government and inciting hatred and even violence against our people, our NGOs and our legislation.
But we're still here, we're queer, and we're still gonna fight for justice and for our community.
Happy Pride! Tervitus Eesti LGBT kogukonnale!